Uh-oh. Guess who it is? The one that you guys been looking for. I know. I've been missing for a long time. I don't know how long it's been since I talked to y'all. It's been a long time, and I truly miss y'all. And I'm grateful that you all love my work. I'm grateful for all of my customers and clients that's patient, that's waiting on me to ship their stuff. I'm grateful for everybody that, Richy's feeling amazing, and I hope all of you all feeling amazing that's watching this video. Like, come on, we gotta, I'm back, baby. Yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna overthink or overdo it. We're gonna make it real easy for you. And always remember, improvise. Improvising is very important. Oh yeah, before we dive into the tutorial, I got one thing to say. Stay peaceful, stay positive, and stay strong no matter what. Do not quit, do not give up, do not lose hope.
So get your shoes, your Dremel tool, your black rope, your floral print, your floral patch, and your glue. Step 1. Take out your laces, of course.
I know my hands are ashy. Don't hate, because I got lotion.
Now you make your holes with your Dremel tool. Make sure you use the right bit for the right size of the rope you have.
And be careful while doing this to not burn it and make the hole too big. So you might want to use another tool if you aren't comfortable with using the Dremel. But yeah,
voila! And this is how they'll look. We got the holes in the shoes. Now guess what? Get your patch. Pre-place it, get it to where you want to put it before you glue it down, so you can get a good look at it. Place your glue on your fabric.
See, we got it spread it out nice and even. Alright, place your fabric on your shoe, but be careful, do not move it all around. You want to place it all at one time because you will smear the glue and you'll have glue stains everywhere. And we are done gluing. You can glue it more than once, twice, or whatever you have to do to make it adhesive. Voila! Now, about this part, we are about to airbrush the soles. You can use the paintbrush, but please listen to me. Paint will not last on soles unless you're using a sole protector, or you have some other technique, but I don't think, in my opinion, the concrete will always win. So let your clients know, at least. And make sure you do at least 4 coats. Make sure you seal it properly with the finisher. Warning, this is very satisfying. Get your paint, put your little brush in the paint, get your little paint on the brush, and just paint the logos. See, your Nike Air. And make sure you're doing enough coats, people. I'm not showing all of the coats I'm doing on camera. Now, here's the rope. To make sure you get the right length, I usually measure it with a shoestring that's about the same length. Cut it to the length you want. Either you want them hanging or do you want them short, long. It's your preference. Put the rope in the shoes. I don't think this part requires a tutorial because we made the holes, and we made the holes the appropriate size for the rope to go through. Now guess what we're doing? Putting the rope in the shoes! And this is our string too. This is what we put around the rope to protect it from coming off, or protect it from unraveling, I would say. You use a heat gun for this step to make it bond on there properly. Chop it off, and then voila! I didn't show it off camera, but
hey, you should become a patron and choose your tier wisely. Are you feeling generous, or do you want early access to content? But wait, the GOAT tier comes with exclusive content, tutorials, lessons, unreleased videos that only you have access to. Now select your tier wisely, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.
But I ended up adding gold lace tips to these because I was not feeling the blue. But yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, thank you for watching. If you didn't enjoy this tutorial, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, please make sure they are smart questions. I'm just playing. No questions are dumb, but seriously, I made this real simple. Everybody have a beautiful, peaceful, positive day. Visit richycustoms.com. Peace.